What's going on, SEO experts? Today we are gonna be talking about SEO for SaaS companies. So we are going to be covering a few actionable tips and strategies that you guys can implement to get real life traffic for your website. Hi everyone, my name is Taran. I am SEO project manager at SEO Discovery, and on this channel we explore strategies and tools that help to grow your online business. So SaaS SEO is the process of increasing the organic traffic for a SaaS, that is software as a service, companies' websites by earning top rankings on the SERPs for a list of relevant keywords. So here are some effective tips. Number 1. Deep keyword research. Conduct in-depth research of your keyword and targeting audiences at the top of the funnels. You can use such keywords research tools like Ubersuggest, SEMrush and Ahrefs, etc. Number 2. Good content with EAT and needs met. Writing content that has EAT means it more likely to rank higher and more likely to be shared with backlinks, meaning better SEO results for your company. Number 3. Metadata optimization for inbound growth. Number 4. Data focused strategies with analysis. Number 5. Technical SEO for SaaS companies. Number 6. Site structure and hierarchy. Number 7. User sessions and behind the scenes of SaaS platforms. Number 8. UX based SEO and Google's core web vitals. Number 9. Link building with inbound marketing. So if you want me to elaborate all these points in detail, then please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.